Hey everybody, this is Adam from Daggerfish, and in a previous video we talked about the basic fundamentals of handline fishing. In this video I want to tell you a little bit about where to look for great handline fishing spots when you first get started. When you're a beginner, the best places to handline fish are areas of slow moving water. So that's lakes, ponds, big eddies, and slow moving streams like the one we're at here. Slow moving water lets you extend the amount of time your bait can sit in the water, giving you an increased chance of catching fish on every cast. At a stream like this, where the water's flowing slowly in this direction, I might go down to the shore, cast upstream, let my bait float down with the current, and as it starts to swing in, reel it back in and repeat that process until I hook into a big fish. As you gain more experience, you might try handlining from a kayak, a stand-up paddleboard, or a canoe. And you can check out our video on casting for some techniques about how to cast in those situations. As you gain a lot more experience, you might try fishing more challenging situations, especially fast-moving water. Fast-moving water, especially from shore, will tend to swing your line into shore, meaning you have to do a lot of reeling and casting during the time that you're fishing. In those circumstances, we recommend, if it's safe to do so, wading into the water using either waders or wet wading, so you can cast vertically up and down the water, letting you better target the areas where fish are likely to be. With a handline, you have opportunities to go places where other fishermen can't. Because it's so small and compact, you can throw it into a backpack or stick it onto a sheath on your belt or your backpack strap to get to areas that other fishermen simply cannot reach. Plus, because it's so portable, you can take it with you on every trip, meaning whenever you see an opportunity to go catch a fish, you can take advantage of it. If you'd like to learn more about casting, reeling, and rigging a handline, you can check out the other videos on our site. And thanks for watching.